bitch. What the fuck is up? Going to the beach, get some sun. Okay, sun is great for you if you're going through depression or, you know, anything like that. You need natural sun. You need natural light to be healthy. On the way to the beach. Say hey, girl. Where I belong by the water. I'm so happy here. I'm so happy. I'm in my happy place. So I miss y'all so much. Update. You know, your girl's in her dream reality and shit. So basically right now we're doing a 30-day money challenge, and I've been posting affirmations every day. My last video was actually me saying some affirmations in front of the waves, y'all. So if you haven't tuned into that, go ahead and tune into that. If you're new to my channel, I'm Chocolate Choppa. I am a spiritual fucking being, just on here talking my shit, showing my manifestation journey. I'm talking about the law of assumption, talking about astrology, talking about music, talking about nails and fashion. I'm a multi-dimensional being, so you cannot box me the fuck in. So, y'all, I made a Discord. It's called Rich Escape Shift the Matrix. Well, it's called Rich Escape Shift the Matrix. You feel me? So, real niggas, tap in with me. I'm gonna post the link to my Discord in the description of this video because I want y'all to talk to me one-on-one. Everybody's always wondering, like, where's Choppa at? Choppa got locked out her fucking Twitter. Choppa had to make a new Instagram because her old one got hacked. That's where Choppa's at. Choppa's on YouTube bringing y'all dope ass fucking content that you need to be sharing. I need to be having way more views than I have right now. Y'all need to be sharing my content. A lot of people need to hear these messages when it comes to my fucking manifestation abilities and just about how limiting the law of attraction has been. Y'all see me tearing up? I'm not crying. I'm just by the fucking waters because I shifted realities and I'm in a new reality. I'm in my dream reality. If you want to move states, tap in with me. If you want to shift, quantum leap, learn how to quantum leap into your ideal self, tap the fuck in with me, okay? Period. I should have recorded the nail shop that I just went to. I really should have, but I got some stuff. I got some nail stickers. I got that KDS glue, baby. Look at these cute ass motherfucking transfer papers. Like, what? This girl got a nail salon, nail art. Oh, and look at the discount she gave me. She discounted me from $13 to motherfucking $10. Y'all. Wait, I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is for nail art. Numbers and symbols. Oh, shit. Okay. See, I didn't even know what I got. And I got something good. But lo and behold, I had to get me a better brush. This is the D&D Kalansky Japan, baby. Number 10. I got me a number 10. I'm gonna let y'all know how it is. Because the other brush I was using was so synthetic. Like, my monomer was getting stuck. And, of course, I got me some full transfer paper. And don't look at my nails. They're a hot ass mess. But this is where I'm working at. This little workstation right here. You know. Trying to do what they do, baby. And yeah, gonna get more into it. All my shit. That's the acrylic I'm using right now. Cause I'm just getting into acrylic. Like, this is the first acrylic set I'm doing. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like so far. But I just have like all my stuff organized really nicely. Don't roast me because I got my seatbelt on. I'm sitting in the back seat. Safety first. But I was just thinking to myself, like, I feel like a nigga right now. Like, I feel like a straight nigga sometimes. Confession. My masculine energy. That shit. Piping up. I got a lint all in my motherfucking hair. My hair, I'm gonna do a video about my locks. If y'all want that. Look at that lint, baby. I need to do an acid. I need to do a apple cider vinegar wash. But oh my god, that's how it is. And switches to who is it? Motherfucking topic. You can put in this thing, let it rain, baby. Let it rain. So rain. What you can see, all red phones, all that charge, here I come. You ready or not? I keep it on knives, but I will pick your love. Phone up, be loading up, smoking on dope before they hit your blood. Shoot them dice, hit your blood. I need duct tape, bitch, no scars. All of these ways, feel right now. Before we my ways, I got a fast house. Tryna find me. You better all find a Nemo, ayy. Jump in the sea, ayy. What's $20, ayy. She live by me, ayy. All red phones, all that charge. Before we part ways, here I come. Before we part ways, all that charge. Phone to be loading up, smoking on dope before they hit your blood. Let's go. What you can see, all red phones, all that charge, here I come. You ready or not? I keep it on knives, but I will pick your love. Phone up, be loading up, smoking on dope before they hit your blood. Shoot them dice, hit your blood. I need duct tape, bitch, no scars. All of these ways, feel right now. Before we my ways, I got a fast house. This chopper still gonna spray, yeah, because I'm running all motherfucking day, yeah. And that's Big Purr, and that's on site. That's on whoever can get it. On who? Oh, I thought a bitch nigga says yeah, I'm just trolling. I'm just kidding and stuff. Oh wait, that would be cute. I got my hair like this. So yeah, I'm doing a hair tutorial. Talks about locks. Not in this video, but I'm gonna just tell y'all to guess how long I've had my locks. Comments below how old you think they are before I start making lock. Normally I have a hair scrunchie that I put in my hair, but I'm not gonna lie, I used a fucking string to tie my hair. And that's just some real nigga shit that you gotta do sometimes. When you got long hair, don't care. You just gotta use what you can. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You gotta use you gotta use what now? Was that like not turned right the whole time? Let me give y'all some views. What y'all want to see? I know y'all want to see some shoulders. You want to see my shoulder? Lean with it, rock with it. Lean with it, rock with it. Lean with it, rock with it. Lean with it, What if I got copywritten because I was singing Lean with it, rock with it? Be copywriting my videos. That's why I don't be fucking posting like that and shit, for real. I'm gonna be honest, because I want to be monetized. I'm gonna be monetized pretty soon. But, like, whatever. It don't even really matter. I'm just doing this shit for fun at this point because I don't even know how this shit go anymore. I'm just fucking confused at this point. A bitch is confused. I don't even know whose car I'm in. I don't even know where I'm at. First of all, where am I? It's giving trapped in a closet. It's giving who the fuck? Where the fuck? What the fuck? But I ain't gonna lie, my brother told me to stop cussing in the videos, and I didn't even know I cuss like that. And I didn't even like try to like see if I cuss a lot, because I'm like, it's gonna be cringy if I see myself cussing. And I'm like, whatever. I don't do it in front of my mama. So